The safest bank for your money in 2026 isn't in London, New York, or Singapore. It is in a country that lets you open a premier multi-currency account with 0 residency days and 0 local tax on your foreign income. While Western banks are mass closing nomad accounts for lack of ties, one frontier market is rolling out the red carpet. Subscribe. New Nomad finance strategy drops every week. As we head into 2027, the traditional banking world is becoming hostile toward the location-independent elite. Even though Forbes recently ranked the best online banks of 2026, most of these institutions still require a permanent residential address to remain compliant. Forbes 2026 06-10. For a nomad earning $100,000 a year, relying on a US or EU bank is a ticking time bomb. These banks use sophisticated KYC algorithms to detect when you've been outside your home country for more than 6 months, often resulting in immediate account freezes. Unlike 2025, the 2026 regulatory environment has made it nearly impossible to fake a domestic presence. You need a jurisdiction that actually wants your business without requiring you to move there. Georgia, the country, not the state, remains one of the last bastions where you can establish a robust banking presence as a total non-resident. The primary reason sophisticated nomads are flocking to Tbilisi in 2026 is Georgia's unique position in the global tax landscape. Georgia is widely recognized as one of the few remaining non CRS banking privacy countries. This means they do not automatically share your account information with your home country's tax authorities under the Common Reporting Standard. Furthermore, Georgia operates a territorial tax system, SASHM. Under Georgian law, any income earned from a foreign source is 0% taxed for individuals. This creates a perfect Plan B hub where you can store wealth safely without triggering local tax residency, even if you never spend a single day in the country. While U.S. banks are currently offering high-yield savings accounts up to 5% as of June 2026, those accounts come with heavy reporting strings attached. WSJ 2026 06-12. Georgia offers similar or often higher rates on local currency deposits without the same intrusive oversight. How do you actually get an account without a residency permit? In Georgia, banking is a service, not a privilege reserved for citizens. You can fly into Tbilisi on a 1-year tourist visa, which most Westerners get for free on arrival, and walk into a bank the same afternoon. Alternatively, you can open an account remotely via a power of attorney, POA. This allows a local legal representative to handle the paperwork while you remain in Bali or Lisbon. If this is saving you money, hit like. It helps more nomads find this channel. You'll receive a world-class banking app, a multi-currency account, USD, EUR, GBP, and GEL, and a Visa or MasterCard that works globally. Unlike the US, where bank promotions are offering up to $3,000 in bonuses this June, the real bonus in Georgia is the permanent access to the international SEPA and SWIFT networks without the fear of a sudden closure. Yahoo Finance, 2026 06-12. The two giants you need to know are TBC Bank and Bank of Georgia. Both are listed on the London Stock Exchange and offer high-end solo or concept banking tiers for a monthly fee of roughly $10 to $15. These premium tiers give you a dedicated personal banker you can reach via WhatsApp, a level of service unheard of in the 2026 U.S. checking account market. Forbes 2026 06-12. For an initial deposit as low as $50, you gain access to an ecosystem that supports international wires and high-limit debit cards. If you are looking to park cash, Georgian Lari, GEL, deposits often fetch interest rates as high as 10%, significantly outperforming the top U.S. HISAs, which are capped at 5% right now. WSJ 2026 06-12. Even if you choose to keep your funds in USD or Euro, the stability and ease of transfer via the mobile app make it a superior tool for the modern digital nomad. We need to address the elephant in the room: compliance. Having a private account doesn't mean having an invisible one. For Americans, the FBAR requirement is absolute. If your total balance across all foreign accounts, including your new Georgian ones, exceeds $10,000 at any point in the year, you must file FinCEN Form 114, 4x4. The penalty for a willful failure to file is 50% of the account value, so don't play games with the BSA e-filing system. However, for the non-US nomad, Georgia offers a level of asset protection that is rapidly disappearing. As we move toward 2027, having a banking base that isn't tied to your physical location or a high-tax residency permit is the ultimate insurance policy. It ensures that no matter where you travel, your capital remains liquid, accessible, and yours. You now have the exact blueprint to open a premier bank account in Georgia. without ever becoming a resident. But a secure bank account is only one piece of the puzzle if your business structure is still leaking taxes. In my next video, I'm breaking down the 3 offshore LLC structures that cost under $500 to set up in 2026 and pair perfectly with Georgian banking. Subscribe so you don't miss that. It's the key to making your wealth truly borderless.